This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, team. This is Krishna Reddy. Welcome to Power BI class. So today agenda is just I would like to explain what exactly the Power BI and why Power BI and what is opportunities on Power BI. What is the prerequisites for learning Power BI? Okay, yeah, these things mainly will focus. So team, so I'm very happy to see the students here. And I want to briefly introduce myself. I'm Krishna Reddy. I'm basically from Hyderabad. Last 23 years, I'm in IT industry, working and as well as teaching to the students also. I started my career with SQL. After that, I moved, uh, like before Power BI, I was in MSBI, and I have a tremendous experience on SQL in the very beginning of my career, and I'm the author for the SQL books also. So and almost all in Hyderabad, Amirpet, I'm there for the long time actually. So I'm teaching that more than 2 lakh students in my career. Almost all are big organizations. I mean institutes in Amirpet. I work and I work with that various companies also. Currently, I'm working for one of the best MNC here. So I'm mainly working on Anthem projects. So health insurance actually is one of the big client in the US and UK. This is much more. I have a domain knowledge on healthcare projects and as well as banking sector and sales and distribution. Okay, these areas mainly I worked actually. So here the yeah, so the Power BI. Before going to Power BI, so as briefly I want to tell you why Power BI and all. So normally, okay, who can learn this Power BI and what is a Power BI? The answer is very simple. Power BI is a reporting tool. Power BI is a reporting tool. Power BI business intelligence actually. It is an analytical tool. We can do the data analysis here. Power BI is having the four parts are there: Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Service. Power Service it is. This is the four parts we are having it is. Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Service. These are four parts we are having here actually. So Power Query, first we can learn that normally this order. But the advantage for Power BI, this all can be learned that even parallelly also. It's not much more linked that one to others. In the Power Pivot, there is an important subject called DAX, tax it is. Data Analytical Expression. So with that, I'm teaching MS SQL Server, Microsoft Structured Query Language. This is a very important subject for the students. In this, actually, two parts are there: SQL and TSQL, Transact Structured Query Language. With this, we'll teach generally. Okay. And I'll be explain this entire course with real-time examples. I'll give the more clarity with the real-time examples actually. So, so what is exactly you got some idea what you are learning, and I'll give that one CV also how to prepare and I'll support you. I'll take the mock intros also for the students to improve his skills actually. I do conduct the workshops to the students. Normally, we'll conduct the workshops on Saturday. If you are interested, we can join. That is optional for you, but I'll continue the workshops actually to improve the student skills. This is what exactly I will do. Okay, basically, you have regular sessions from Monday to Friday will be there. Generally, Saturday I used to conduct the workshops for improve the student skills. Actually, I am there in the intro panel also. So I just to share that my experience in the intros for the students to improve their skills, where you have to improve it is know how to face the intro. These are all the things I'll be explained clearly. Right now, here as coming to the the Power BI, it is an intelligent business intelligence tool actually. It is an analytical tool. We can analysis. Okay, generally when you are generally the people are working on Power BI, they called as Power BI developer, or it's called as a data analyst also they call. Okay, so like there is a company to company they'll give the different designations actually. Who can learn this course? Any student with the degree qualification can learn this course. And what is the prerequisites for learning this course? It's not required any other subjects like other languages. I should know C or C plus nothing. There is no programming at all in Power BI. Only you need that DAX. Here it is now the basic code will be start. That is also very simple code to write. Most of the things is purely analysis. Learning Power is very very easy. You need to understand the business functionality is very important. You should know that how the business is there, the client requirement how it is there. Those things you should learn. But after that, learning Power BI is so easy to the student, right? So Power BI can learn any degree student, and there is no coding here much more. The basic level code is there in the DAX only. That is coming to the Power Pivot, and understanding the business requirement or client requirement is little bit difficult actually. That is they given the KTC actually in the company. So from that part we can learn it. Even I'll be explain that one project to you. So that is much more helping to the student to improve his skills actually. I'll teach that projects real time oriented. Yeah. Okay, so coming to my like no, almost all I'm there in the 2016. I joined like now as a Power BI consultant actually in my company. I have tremendous experience with other technologies. I told you, know, the beginning I told you that on SQL I am the certified like MS SQL certified. I cleared my certifications also for all different technologies. So here that questions also I'll be add in the course actually. That is a more advantage to the student actually. I'll give that the type of questions to the students because you have to improve that your knowledge means the type of questions are much more useful to the student to improve his personally the skill set actually. Okay, now team here, yeah, this is the main focus on this Power BI. It will take a 45 days it is, and SQL server minimum will take 20 to 25 days. Only SQL server also will teach, but parallel I will do. I don't want to disturb the Power BI class. Those students please kindly attend the SQL server also parallelly. I'll do that one. So yes, this is what the main focus on this course actually. Right. The next one is why Power BI, where we can use it. For that, I'm taking a small example here. Let me open the one small Excel sheet. In the Excel, see that. Okay, here students' inquiries are here. If I take that student id here, student number, name of the student's course, gender, date, phone number, email id, fee paid. So these all are the various columns we see here. These all are the students details I have. Just very simple way to understand. I'm getting that a lot of students enquiries actually every day. So these students enquiries, if I take, as the all the students details are here, but my management want to know that which technology is having more, like feel that no, there are thousands of students, don't think that no, only seven I entered, thousands of students are there. They want to see that in the January month, which technology is having a highest inquiries, they want to see that. Then I'll go to here, you see in 2021 January month, which technology is having a highest inquiries actually, which technology is having a highest inquiries, it is number of inquiries in 2021 January month, which is having highest inquiries means here Power BI is 2000, MSBA is 1200, SQL 1000, Python 500, DevOps is 680. Which technology is having highest inquiries means no, immediately we can tell we have to go for January month Power BI 2000. How do you know that one? I have to compare this 2000 with this all values it is. Then immediately you'll understand Power BI is having a highest inquiry. Slowly understand. If you have any doubts, please ask me immediately. Okay, I'll be explained to you. Okay. So here in the January month, 2000 is the Power BI is having highest inquiry. If the data is very huge, very difficult to compare and tell that. So that reason, what we can do, this is look like as a table format is showing it. Then here, I'll go for insert. Just see, I select this. Okay, here see that in the January month, Power BI is having highest inquiries. Easily we can understand here. This kind of graphical environment only, I am calling it as what is it? It is technically called as a visualization. They called. We call it as a visualization actually. Hmm. So highest inquiries, which technology in January month, Power BI is having a highest inquiries are here. Which technology is having a highest inquiries means Power BI is having a highest inquiries actually. The answer is so simple like this. This is called visualization. This is called as a report actually. It is okay. So Deepu, please go to mute, ma. Deepu, Deepu, yeah. Thank you, ma. Naresh, your mic is not showing to you. My voice is audible to you, Naresh. Naresh.
Yes, it is audible, sir.
Okay. Okay, Naresh. Yeah. Right. So when you see this Excel sheet, as we can see the data in Power BI that the inquiries are 2000 is giving the highest inquiries here actually. It contains highest inquiries in the Power BI. So this is now even you can go for insert here. There is a see this we can just this is called pie charts actually. We can go for that now the pie charts also we can be create here, as whenever you take that now the pie charts it is here we have that now January. Okay, the inquiries are coming like this. Now we have just observed the inquiries are coming like, yeah. So we can easily identify that no, which technology is having that no, the inquiries and all we can identify so clearly here it is. Just observe this point. Okay, team. So try to understand this now. In the which technology is having more inquiries is now, as Power BI is having that no more inquiries are here. We can identify like that. So even yes, the legend also we can see here. These are Excel knowledge only. Okay. So which technology colors legend we can. This is called legend. It is even in our Excel we can data labels. If you don't want, we can stop it. Legend you don't want, we can stop it. Why I'm talking this all the things means these things will come in that no Power BI also. The students who knows that Excel. Okay, if you don't know Excel also, those things also I'm covering here. Okay. This is called like how we are calling it as a pie charts. It is. We can go for that now. Here, see, this is called pie charts. The pivot charts and all how they are. It is. I'll be explaining very everything is line chart, column chart. These are all kind of things are there in the Power BI also. But this both are from Microsoft products only, right? Excel also from Microsoft. Power BI also Microsoft product only. The other point is here. Then immediately student will get it out here itself in the power in the Excel itself I'm able to store the data and I am developing a report also. Then why I should learn that Power BI? That's a common doubt. In Excel we can store the very less data. Excel we can store that very less data actually, but by using Power BI we are not storing the data in mainly in Power BI we can develop a reports. How big data it is, no problem. But in Excel, if data is very huge, we cannot develop a report by using Excel. We'll talk many more differences between the Excel and Power BI also. As of now, we understand some clarity. It's look like as a characters and numbers in Excel, but we cannot develop the highly complicated reports. And also the visualizations in Excel is very less. It is. This is called visualization, which you are seeing a picture format. The type of visualizations are very less in Excel, but in Power BI we have 200 plus visualizations. We can see that. This is a Power BI visualizations you can see on the screen. Even if you click on here, get more visuals also possible. 200 plus visuals are there in the Power BI actually. And so in this, now what is the conclusion is now generally by using a Power BI, all historical data on the historical data we can do the analysis. Suppose I started my company in 2000, 2005, okay, 2010, 2015, 2020. Like that if we take, these all the years it is. When I need to do the business analysis now, okay, in 2000 to 2005, how my business is there observed. 2005 to 2010, how my business. I need analysis now. My business is improving or down the business. These are all the things we need to analysis now. By using what we can analysis means definitely by using a Power BI. Power BI is a purely Power BI is a purely a analytical analysis. We can do that. It is a purely on historical data. We can do the analysis is possible. We can do that historical data. We can do the analysis is possible. Not the predicting the future. In order to predict the future, like after 2025, where my business is there, 2030, where my business is there, means Power BI cannot use. We should use what? Data science. We can use the data science. Immediately students will get that. No, sir, then compared to Power BI, data science is better. Maybe you have a doubt like that. Learning data science is not easy, my dears. Okay, in order to suppose you need to get the job on Power BI, it's very easy to the student. You should know that Power BI and MS SQL Server more than enough to get the job. but getting a job on, okay, data science, you should know SQL, Python, machine learning, artificial intelligence, Spark and Scala. Okay, even reporting tools like a Power BI reporting tools. These many things, if you know it, then getting a job it is. With that, not only that, so you have to learn that now. This is what I'm saying, that it is predicting the future is now as a data science. To become as a data science developer or data scientist, you should know SQL, you should know Python, M language, like machine learning, deep learning, DL, artificial intelligence. Okay, the neural network it is, and natural language processing. These are all the things. If you know, then only become as a data scientist. You mean is it that much easy to learn these all the things? Tell me. Definitely no. It is not that much easy to learn this all the things actually, team. It is not that much easy to learn this all the things, team. Please remember. Yeah. So now what I'm trying to tell you, in order to learn data science is not at all easy job, but learning Power BI is so easy. The Power BI is very very easy to get the job. So I'm the faculty. I'm very good mentor for you. Definitely, I'll guide the students how to move, how to prepare this subject. I'll give the chapter wise FAQs also, frequently asked questions, and improve your skill set actually. One side we are providing the videos, wherever the key points I'm already saying that workshops also I'll conduct. The workshops will be given for only the students who are attending the classes. Okay, and your I'll keep on taking the workshops to the students actually. So that is helping for that now even future you can clear their certifications also. These all are advantage for the student actually. This is what we are providing from my side it is. So I hope that you understand now in this session what is Power BI. Power BI is a reporting tool to do the data analysis actually, how my business is growing. Okay, when I have huge data, then I, by using that this reporting tool, we can analysis that how it my business was. For that we are using Power BI. How many parts are there in the Power BI? Mainly they categorized four. It is a power view, power pivot, power service. See, the power query, power pivot, power view, and power query. The Power Query, I can technically call it as a ETL. It is ETL. It is a Power Query editor is there on part. Power Query editor is a ETL tool. It is a built-in ETL tool in Power BI. By using this built-in tool, what we can do? We can do extraction, extract the data, transformation we can do, and we can loading also. Extraction means getting the data from the different sources. Suppose the data is there from the client side. I have a data from the Excel. I have the data from the from the flat file it is. I have data from the from the database like SQL Server or Oracle or anywhere that. So we need to extract this data from the different sources. That is what call it as a E. Next, after extracting the data, we need to transform. Transform means cleaning the data. After cleaning, then we have to loading the data into the Power Pivot for developing a report actually. So beautiful approach it is actually. These all operations we are technically called as a ETL actually. So Power Query, we are going to learn that all the ETL operations. Next, Power Pivot, DAX it is. Data analytical expression, we are going to learn that how to write the logics actually. Here also logical operator, relational operator, various functions, and what is the fundamentals of programming language. The DAX is a language, it is a programming language you are going to learn here it is. But very very simple to learn now. Don't think that as like a Python or Java, how difficulties are there. C, C++, Java, Python is very very difficult languages. That type of coding and are not required here actually. No, not required. So we share that brochure actually. Your admin people will be share the brochure. If they not share that, I'll be share to you. the brochure what I prepared for the SQL server and as well as Power BI, that all brochures also will send to you. You can download it. We'll give that all the the brochures to you, right? Yeah, this is main agenda. What is this plan of this course actually? So based on the time and all, they'll talk to you. Please intimate to the people from whereas you are coming. So they you are from the different admin people actually. That may our administrators will be interact with you, and they'll take your information and all. They'll give that all the okay guidelines for this course, how to attend and all. Okay. So you just attend that demo, my dears. Only one thing I can tell. I teach like so many batches in my life. It's 23 years means not a small journey for the faculty. So generally student will think that now, so how the faculty is teaching, let me see that demo. Yes, in the demo, generally students will see how the faculty is teaching. Is it fulfill my requirement or not? You are not seeing me my face actually. I am there in Amirpet. Okay, as a faculty, like I started career in 2000 in Amirpet actually. Then maybe now see after Corona it is no the, so we are all almost all moved to that totally online actually. So then if my old students means now Krishna sir, yes, I know him that time. Now I am the new person for you. You are the new people to me. Okay, but you may be coming that through reference of our old students or from my our institutes. Now the you maybe see that now some advertiser, whatever it is. But what I am one point I want to give the clarity to the students. So in front of you is a very experienced person, experienced faculty. Yes, and I can fulfill your requirements with a high level quality of education. Definitely, I'm very interested person to teach the students. Actually, these many days also I never tired. I'll continuously teaching to the students. It's a fashion to me. I love to teach, but once that working to that company, I may be okay. I may do that. My work it is for only one single person for my MD. But here I can train a lot of students and I can build the career for a lot of students across the world actually. So that's what I feel always actually. And I prepared the very good material for you. This is total my running notes class wise we have. This all the notes, so day by day I'll give that. So this is the second class it is. Then again we'll go for third class it is. Now class wise, I'll give this all the material to you as class wise now. And also one side supporting the videos. But always I am saying that no students please daily regularly attend the sessions, then only the videos will be understand. Okay, so the students will get the good knowledge while you are attending the class. I'll give so many variety techniques to you to learn. That is my strength of my experience. This much only I can tell you. And a lot of old students are there in Power BI working, and now currently they are getting training now. Some people are training for intros. It's very so many batches I have to handle that, and I'm teaching very depth of SQL also. Right? That is more helping. More questions are asking from SQL also. Those
Sir,
questions
sorry to
also
interrupt
student can
you.
get the knowledge here. So I'll be just 2 minutes, Karthik, please. Huh? I'll talk to you. I'll give you time to you to interact with everyone, please. Yeah. So now another thing is now daily 1 hour I'll teach to you. 2 hours you should be not practice mainly. 2 hours you have to study the material which you provide. Learn that how to answer it is. This is the way the student has to go actually, right? So these are the things I'll be tell that no plan of this course. Yeah, Karthik, please go ahead. You have some doubt, Karthik K.
Sir, two questions. Sir, one is is SQL a prerequisite to learn Power BI or is it not at all required?
Definitely it is not prerequisites, but you must learn SQL. I'll teach to you, but
Sir,
it is not a
you
prerequisites
told
and based on
you will be
SQL knowledge
starting
only
both the
learning based on
Hmm.
Yes, I'm the
Sorry, sir,
faculty for
continue.
the both. Yes, yes, I'm the
I mean,
faculty
both
for
at one
both,
time
Karthik.
or
I'll teach.
different timings, different
Different
timings.
timings, no, but back to back I'll take. Even I take morning, even I take evening also. As your preferred time, you can attend, Karthik. Not a problem.
Sir, and what about the package? I mean, starting of the demo, you told you would be, I mean, letting us know about the salaries also. So, how much would be the minimum, sir?
If yeah, yeah. If you just I'll stop that now. So right now, 1 minute.